Alright, this is my bike check. Let's start at the top here. I got ODI long necks, Fly Bikes Montana 2 bars, stolen convict stem, Fit Shiv 1 forks, Walmart valve stem, Alienation Skylark rim, laced to a profile mini front hub with a G-Sport hub guard. Kind of put it on kind of poopy. Oh well. And then with the frame, it's a fit frame, rod out. Not sure what frame it is. And then the cranks, Eastern Nomads, rod out. And the pedals are Colt PCs. And then I got a stolen Thermalite seat post with the Animal Nigel Sylvester seat. Stolen seat post clamp. And the front tire is a Stunner Duo SVS tire, 2.25, same as the rear. In the rear, I have another Skylark rim, laced to a Demolition hub, left-hand drive, chain wheel, We the People, Salt, 25 tooth. Oh yeah, headset. It's a painted animal headset, and the bottom bracket is animal, and the pegs are Shadow Little Ones, brought out, and that's my bike.